A gleaming biopharmaceutical factory hums with quiet efficiency. Stainless steel surfaces reflect immaculate white light, casting a futuristic glow. A trained lab worker in full protective gear stands confidently in front of a fortified laboratory production line, smiling warmly toward the camera. Welcome to our facility. Today I'll show you exactly how snake antivenom is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes science videos like this. Lab ambience and a gentle machine hum set the tone. The camera cuts to a wide cinematic view of a specialized snake research facility. Venomous snakes move with liquid grace inside secure glass enclosures, while trained handlers manage them with practiced skill. A subtle echo fills the room. Next, the lens zooms in on the moment a snake releases venom into a sterile collection container, a process guided by steady expert hands. The tap of glass and focused breathing underscore the tension. A drone-style shot sweeps through refrigerated storage, where venom samples are carefully labeled and preserved amid a rhythmic cooling system hum. The scene shifts to Phase 2, venom processing and dilution. Large mixers quietly churn as venom is diluted in sealed bioreactors, overseen by diligent scientists. The venom is carefully diluted and prepared to ensure absolute safety, the voiceover explains. Soft mechanical hums blend into the background. Scientists monitor digital screens in a control room, tracking every detail with precise button clicks and beeps. Transparent pipelines transport processed venom toward the immunization unit, the resonance of flowing liquid audible as the camera glides alongside. Phase 3 begins inside advanced biological chambers, where antibodies form in a macro cinematic shot. Subtle bubbling punctuates the sterile ambience. Robotic arms move with practiced precision, handling test samples while technicians observe with calm focus. Antibodies are developed to neutralize the venom effectively. The narration continues as gentle robotic sounds fill the lab. A slow-motion close-up reveals purified antibodies glowing softly under laboratory lights. In Phase 4, high-speed conveyor lines fill glass vials with purified antivenom. Rhythmic clinks and pressured hisses echo through the air. Automated labeling and sealing machines synchronize perfectly, their crisp clicks and roller sounds providing a sense of order.